In this video, I will be showing you how you can create Telegram link using telephone number. Now, why this is important? This is important because imagine if you have a list of phone numbers, you do not want to add them one by one into your contact list. What you want to do is you want to put them into that link, and immediately when people click on the link, you can immediately message them through Telegram. Alright, I'm going to show you how you can do it, but first of all, let's go to my phone. I'm not going to do it computer because the steps are similar. Let's do it in the phone. There will be two portions of it. The first portion is about the link. It's very easy. And the second portion is about privacy settings. How you, as a Telegram user, can actually stop people from doing that. Okay, now without further ado, let's go to my phone and let me show you how you can do this. Now I'm at my phone. So as you can see, all you have to do is just type t.me/plus, which is your country code followed by a phone number, and you can see here at the bottom you can open chat with you from any app, but it will work if your privacy settings let others find you by your phone number. Okay, so I'm going to try it out in the link itself to my phone number. Let's just try t.me. So this is my phone number. Let's just click on it. This is the number. Immediately you can see here open chat. Mine, it open this page so that it can show immediately it goes to Telegram. So I just click continue and it open up my Telegram account. So you can see save message, it means to my personal account. So that's it. So yeah, it is that simple. You can try with different phone numbers. Just put t.me/plus country code and the phone number, and you will open up the Telegram chat immediately. Now let me just show you the privacy settings that you can restrict people from doing that. A lot of people didn't disable it, that's why you still can do it. Okay, so you can go to the Telegram page, click on the three lines at the top left, go to settings, go to privacy and security, go to phone number. So you can see here, you can see there's actually the link is already appeared here. t.me/the country code plus a phone number. You have to put the plus in front, right? So this is actually the link that I showed you just now. Okay, so you can see that who can see my phone number, I put in my contact. Now, like I said, you can use this method if people allow you to do so. If people don't allow you to do so, this is what you can do. You just click nobody, then you can see who can find me by my number. So you put it only my contact. That means people that is in your contact can find you. If it's not in your contact, they can't find you. Alright? So that's how they can limit people from seeing. But most of the time, people just keep it as my contact, which is the default setting. So you can do this. Just get their phone number, put t.me in front, and boom, you can contact them without adding them into your contact list. I hope this is helpful for you. If you like what I share, do subscribe to this channel and also give me a thumbs up for this video. Thank you, and I see you next time. Goodbye.